Okay, hello everybody, my name is Marek and today I'm gonna unpack this brand new Audi A8, the 2017 model. So this is the box which I received just a few hours ago, and first of all I'm gonna unpack this box. So I'm gonna use the scissors and just carefully open the main box, and I expect there will be one more box inside of it. So just carefully here, yeah, because I don't want to destroy the model, so really carefully. Oh, it's just not possible here. Alright, so as I can see there is some protection in it. Alright, I can already see the Audi collection sign on it, and alright, I'm really excited about this one. Oh, I also received this pen. Great. That was for free. And now about the box. It's shiny and very nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove all the mess so that only the main box will remain here. And okay, so let me see. Oh wow, so it's transparent here. So yeah, I'm really excited. Brand new. There's a sticker with hologram. It's licensed by Audi. Okay, choking hazard. It's not suitable for children under 14 years. Cool. So let's go in it. Alrighty. Okay. So let's remove the top of it. Wow, it looks really nice. It looks really cool. It's nicely packed. Yeah, there is no dust yet, but it will come very soon. Alright, so now let's remove the bottom of it. And as I can see, there are some screws. There are actually 4 of them, but I'm very well equipped, so I'm just gonna... Okay, it's quite tight. Sometimes when I receive a new model, the screws are already rusty and it's very difficult to really screw them. But here, okay, these are brand new, so I can see that the model is also brand new. It was not stored somewhere for a decade. It was manufactured just, I think, a few months ago. And actually I saw this model for the first time when somebody posted it on Facebook after the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2017. I was already fully excited, and then yeah, it was just 2 months ago when I ordered this one, and today it came. Okay. It really takes some time. This is actually for the first time when I see a model with 4 screws. Usually there are only 2, which is already saying something about the quality of this model. Okay, the last one. Okay, here we go, here we go. Let me see it. And I'm using those gloves just to be sure that I'm not messing up with anything. Alright, let's remove the cover. Nice, very nice. Okay, there is a license plate obviously the German one, because it's a German car. This is actually produced by Norev, my favorite manufacturer of models, and yeah, at the first sight this is very, very exciting. Okay, so now let's remove those screws, and I will do the first check now, and I will use this to check the weight, because I'm usually very interested in the weight. And this one, yeah, it says 1.1 kilo, which is, yeah, not so bad for a model, which was around 120 euro when I bought it. But now I think it's time to really do the examination of the model. So again, I'm pretty much equipped to remove all those stickers, and I will do it right now. Okay, so that was the first one, covering the front hood. I just don't want to do anything to the color, to the paint, which is quite nice, but already, you know, after a few minutes there is already dust on it. That's the disadvantage of having black color. Yeah, it's rusty quite soon. Alright, and there are a few more stickers on it. This one is holding the front door. This one is holding the rear door. This one is, there are two for the trunk. Okay. It doesn't go so easily, but I'm sure I will manage to do that. And thank you for your patience by watching this, because I know it must be very boring, especially this part, but I need to do that. Okay. My new Audi. So let's see directly what we have here. Okay. So let's open it. Okay. Oh, there is only plastic. There is no carpet in the trunk, unfortunately. I'm a little bit disappointed by this feature here. Other cars have carpeting inside of the trunk. But okay, that's still fine. Most of the time I will have it closed. And you can also see the logo, the Audi logo, and the A8L. L stands for long, so this is the long version. And there are two more stickers. One and two. Okay, and we are already opening it. So let's open the door. And again, I need help of this tool because it's so tiny. Alright, let's have a look inside. Okay, not so bad. And I'm also interested to see the other side and to see the steering wheel and all the equipment which is inside. Alright, yeah, this is the long version. I can see two screens, actually three screens inside. Yeah, and here the steering wheel with the Audi logo, the automatic transmission, and yeah, okay. Yeah, not so bad. One thing that we are still missing is the engine part. So let's try to open the hood and see what is under the hood. Okay, this is quite detailed. I like it. Okay, so again it says V8 TDI. This is the compartment for the engine. Very nice. Okay, so what are we missing here is also to see the bottom of the car, yeah, which sometimes can be really frustrating. So let's have a look how it looks like here. Okay, the details. So I can see the Norev sign here, then Audi A8 long. There's the exhaust and yeah, the suspension. Maybe it's time to test if the suspension is really working. Okay, so I will just slightly press it. Okay, here we go. And the rear is working as well. And it's, yeah, I'm really satisfied with all the details that we have here. Okay, let's see one more time how detailed is it here in the front grille. And the license plate, this is amazing. I love those details here. Okay, also, and the back of the car, it's the same, yeah. Very nice and beautiful. I would say for 120 euro, this is pretty decent and I love it. So next time I will also try to compare it with my older A8 and see all those differences. But for this time I think that's it. Now I will just enjoy my new car. I will close all the doors and park it in my garage next to my older cars. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and watch my next videos. Thank you. Bye.